Dear student, welcome to multimedia presentation. And how are you? I hope you are well. In here, I am going to introduce myself. I am MD Monirujon Monir, Assistant Teacher English, Holodak Secondary School, Haramaya, Kustia. And this multimedia presentation made for class 6 to 10 English second paper grammar part. In the monitor you can see 4 pictures. Picture 1, he sleeps. Picture 2, he is reading a book. Picture 3, I have bought a ball. Picture 4, it has been raining for 2 hours. What have you observed by the pictures? Different form of present tense. Let us discuss the forms of present tenses in our today's class. Picture 1, the rickshaw puller eats rice. Picture number 2, he is dancing. Picture 3, we have won the match. And picture 4, he has been running for 1 hour. There are 4 forms of present tense. 1, present indefinite form. 2, present continuous form. 3, present perfect form. 4, present perfect continuous form. Present indefinite form. Structure: subject plus am, is, are, have, has, verb 1 with is or es plus extension. Birds fly in the sky. Subject, verb 1, extension. In here, a note: if the subject is third person singular number, is or es is added with verb 1. In here, picture number 1, milk is a nutritious food. Picture 2, the bird looks very beautiful. Picture 3, I have a pen. In here indicates picture 1 is, picture 2 looks, picture 3 have. Negative form of present indefinite tense. 1, subject plus be plus not plus extension. Number 2, subject plus don't plus be1, verb 1 plus extension. Number 3, subject plus doesn't plus verb 1 plus extension. He is not a student. He doesn't go to school. In here, he says, I don't miss school. Sentence 1 is not, be plus not. Form number 1. Don't miss. Don't plus verb 1. This is form number 2. And doesn't go. Doesn't plus verb 1. This is form number 3. Interrogative form of present indefinite tenses. 1, be plus subject plus extension plus note of interrogation. Number 2, do plus subject plus verb 1 plus extension plus note of interrogation. Number 3, subject plus verb plus does plus subject plus verb 1 plus extension plus note of interrogation. In these pictures, sentence 1, is he a student? Does he go to school? Do I miss college? Indicates sentence 1, is he, be plus subject, do plus subject plus verb 1, do I miss, form number 2, and sentence 2, does plus subject plus verb 1, form number 3, and indicates sentence number 2, does he go. Activities: fill in the gaps with the right form of verbs from the box. In here a box, there are some clues to fill up the passage. Now I read out the boxes: am, like, make, have, has, go, is, respect, right, are. And I read out the passage: Rohim dash a good student. He dash to school regularly. I dash also a student. We dash at the same age. We dash a mutual understanding. Rohim dash a nice bicycle. We both dash it. We never dash any quarrel. All the teachers dash our friendship. We always dash our teachers. Okay, now I am going to show the answers. 1. A, B goes, C am, D are, E have, F has, G right, H make, I like, J respect. Okay, then number 2, present continuous tense. In these pictures we can see a player going to with a ball, playing football. Structure: subject plus be, am, is, are plus verb with ing plus extension. They are playing football. The subject are, be verb, playing verb with ing extension. Note: am is used after I only. After third person singular number is used, and are is used in another places. Individual work. Transform the sentences into present continuous tense. Sentence 1: cats play. 2. We enjoy cats playing. 3. The little cat scratches the big cat. 4. The big cat feels good. 5. The cat's playing looks nice. Okay, I will show the answer. 1. Cats are playing. Number 2. We are enjoying cats playing. Number 3. The little cat is scratching the big cat. Number 4. The big cat is feeling good. Number 5. The cat's playing is looking nice. Present perfect tenses. Structure: subject plus have, has plus verb 3, past participle form of verb plus extension. In here a sentence: we have enjoyed the dolphin show. We, subject, have enjoyed, verb 3, the dolphin show, extension. Note: has is used after third person singular number, and have is used in all other places. Pair work. Activities: turn the sentences into present perfect tense. Number 1: I go to enjoy hill and waterfall. 2. I enjoy a beautiful waterfall. Number 3: I see the green side of the hill. Number 4: this sight charms me much. Number 5: I never forget the scene. Okay, I will show the answer. Number 1: I have gone to enjoy hill and waterfall. Number 2: I have enjoyed a beautiful waterfall. Number 3: I have seen the green side of the hill. Number 4: the sight has charmed me much. And number 5: I have never forgotten the scene. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus have been or has been plus verb with ing plus extension. They have been playing for a long time. In here, the subject have been playing, verb with ing, for a long time, extension. Note: has been is used after third person singular number, and have been is used in all other places. Homework: identify the structures of the following sentences. 1. This is the age of science and technology. Number 2. We have been enjoying a happy life for modern ICT. Number 3. The world cannot go for a single day without ICT. Number 4. Internet has created a new era for civilized world. Number 5. It is not possible for us to go without mobile phone. Number 6. We have a new hope for the future. Number 7. We don't think our life without ICT knowledge. Number 8. I am not a backdated man now. Okay, continue to the next content, the past tense. Allah Hafiz.